Good day to all. I am the representative Devansh of Holotech, and today I'm here to showcase our latest product, the Holo Assistant. Oops, sorry for the delay, but now we finally have it. Now looking at it, you might be thinking, what's so special about this Holo Assistant? Let me show you. Holo. Play a movie. Actually, the voice recognition isn't that good because it's just a prototype, but it will be much better. Start. Mute it. So as you can see, it can project media right into the air without any other special equipment. And it can also project 3D holograms. And this is just the beginning because many features will be added soon. Look at this. Holo. Show me the hologram of the Earth. Now as you can see, this can project 3D holograms right into the air real time. Holo. Show me the hologram of a car. This is the future. The future is at Holotech.